Welcome everyone, in front of me I have Dying Light the Beast, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate the light streaks in this game, so stay with me and watch the full tutorial video. Enjoy! So to make the visual effects and glow effects better in this game, you have to at first open the settings. To do it, use the O button on your keyboard or press over here on options. Now get into the video tab over here and move to the advanced video settings. You should see the second option is the light streaks, so it introduces the vertical and horizontal glow effects to the brightest area. So you can see on the preview here how it works. The glow effects are clearly visible and it's better than on the left image. If you want to improve the light streaks and the glow effects, then you should definitely switch on this option and also the glow effect to make your glow effects the best in this game, because let me tell you, I was playing this game for 10 hours for now and the visual effects are amazing, beautiful, and you should enable as much options to enhance the visual effects as possible, of course if your PC is good enough for it. That will be all for this video. Hope you liked it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!